everybody. Today I am here to show you my science experiment for class. So the reason I like this experiment is because it acts with the laws of conductivity. So here I have a gum wrapper and a AA battery. The gum wrapper has an aluminum side and a paper side. Each one should catch on fire by the battery because aluminum foil is a conductor, and the battery here to here is a metal. With the battery acid, it should be going having an alternating current going from side to side, making it heat up. So without further ado, let's start. So here I have the big one. And the reason I don't think it'll work is because it doesn't have a small space in the middle. So let's try this.
You mean like there's too much space?
Yes, there's too much space for the energy, meaning it won't heat up fast at all. Okay. It's starting to heat up on either end. I'm having trouble.
Maybe you got to get it more secure. There we go.
And it's starting to heat up on either end, but it's not heating up very warm. Okay, never mind. It's starting to heat up very... Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's because the more it alternates through the aluminum foil, the more it's going to get hotter. So that means it's gonna burn a little bit. But I don't think this is even starting to smoke. So I don't think this is going to work. Next, we have this, and it is a rhombus. The reason I don't think it'll work is because it doesn't have much space to pick up the conductivity. So let's give it a try and see what happens. Never put it on the paper side or it won't work. Okay. Alright, it's starting to heat up faster than the big one. And ow. Okay. It's not even starting to smoke because there's too big of
So it seems
space.
like it gets too hot.
It gets too hot.
Quick.
And if it's not starting to smoke, it's not going to work. We have two more shapes left, and they look a lot alike. But this one has bigger room to pick it up on, and this has a fatter beginning, but even less space to pick it up on. So let's see. You know I've been trying to catch these on fire this whole time. So let's see. It's not even starting to smoke. Let's try the other battery.
You might be developing a theory here.
Yep, there we go. Okay, it's starting to smoke. I think it's because of the battery. Alright, and it's starting to heat up. If you can see, it's starting to look brown in the middle. But I don't think this is quite enough. I think this is a little too much space for it to conduct. So we have one more, and I think this should work. Because look at how thin it is in the middle, and look on the sides how much space there is. So let's try... Yep, there we go.
Woo! Careful.
All right.
So, Kristian, why did that one work instead of the other one that was a similar shape? The second to last one you did was a similar shape.
Because it had bigger ends, meaning it had more room for it to pick up the conductivity, and the more it went in, the more it got smaller, meaning the easier it was to heat up. So it burst into flames before it got like all brown and stuff.
Huh.
So that was my experiment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.